back to roll for Creami. First, rolling for base. 3, almond milk. I've always thought almond milk tasted like Home Depot. I don't know, it just tastes like the smell of lumber. Next, roll for flavor. 4, cheesecake. Hopefully this will mask the flavor of the sawdust milk. Next, roll for fruit. 5, oranges. I'm using this can of mandarin oranges. I'm putting a little bit of that syrup in as well. These are definitely a nostalgic snack for me. Last but not least, roll for wild magic. 8, salt. Salt is just a flavor enhancer, which normally goes in desserts, but you gotta be careful not to oversalt it. Give it a mix and put it into the freezer for 24 hours. This bad boy is going for a spin. And for all of you asking, yes, the Ninja Creami is coming on the yacht this summer with me. Taste test. It's interesting. So all of the oranges sink to the bottom, so the bottom's really good, but the top is just salty. 6.4 out of 10? Yeah.